is a helicopter made by a repairman, the one named Jujun Junaedi, a citizen who lives in the Cibubuay village, Darmareja Village, Sukabumi District, West Java. Right in the front yard of his house, the man who has 2 children assembles his helicopter by spending 1.5 years. The helicopter, which gave the name Garuda Village JN 77, has a 2-cylinder engine with 24-hour speed and 3,600 RPL speed. The engine used is an engine that is adopted from a generator engine, with a capacity of 700 cubic centimeters. The entire helicopter system was designed by Jujun and was made by himself, relying on his knowledge of turning techniques and welding workshops at work. Not felt. His money had already run out of 30 million rupiah to assemble his dream helmet. Almost all the systems of this helicopter are made by themselves, with the knowledge from Google and YouTube. Jujun's idea originated from the frequent seeing traffic in a welding workshop place work. His helicopter was received quite effectively to avoid congestion on the national road, especially in Sukabumi. This creative action finally attracted the National Aviation and Space Agency to conduct an inspection of the Garuda helicopter in the village of JN 77. Although far from perfect, however, the system that can be used by Jujun is enough capable of getting a conventional helicopter and need improvements so that technology can make it usable. Not only that, Jujun's limitations in learning through Google and YouTube turned out to make him an inspiring figure in Google Indonesia 2019. Jujun hopes with the motivation of this dream, that is, in order to provide motivation for people to be able to innovate for the nation and state.